Woohoo! So we're home and now I'm going to finally show you around the inside of the truck. So here we have this awesome steps that go up to inside. I'll leave that open. Now I haven't cleaned up in here, but this is the inside as it currently stands. So on this side we have got a cooktop. Oops, go there. Cooktop, gas, got a little sink. We've got cupboards that have got all the locking, plenty of drawer space, big queen size bed, windows, pockets, little groovy lights up the top there for reading. And around, another window of ventilation. Over here there's another cupboard and fridge, and then you've got the U-Butte shower and toilet. Biggest problem is we don't have any sitting room, and we really want to do that. So we are looking to make the shower area, separate that from the toilet, and actually turn the toilet into a little bit of seating, which will take out this area, move the fridge up on top of the bench here. Whoops, it's shut. And then we can make a bench seat in here and a table so that we can actually be fully contained inside.